Create a group policy object on a Windows Server 2019 and a Windows 10 client machine. So here we are logged in as the administrator. We need to go to Server Manager, Tools, Group Policy Management, and here we have Forest. We want to expand domains. We go to our domain. Group policy objects, new, and we type in the name. Okay. Right click on the group policy object, choose edit, we expand user configuration, expand policies, then choose administrative template, expand, select start menu and taskbar, and here we're going to look for remove remove clock from the system notification area. So we want to enable it. Just apply and OK. We can see here that it now has been enabled. So we collapse all of these, go back there. Go back to group policy management. In group policy management, we go to our GPO just created, settings, add, we add the website to the zone, close. We now go to policies, administrative template, start menu and taskbar, and we ensure that remove clock from system notification is enabled. Our policy is in place. So now we will add this GPO to an organizational unit and apply it to a new user. So we go to Server Manager, Tools, Active Directory, Users and Computers. In users, we have our two new users, Jane Doe and John Doe. So click on Anna.com. New organizational unit. So here we type in the name sample group, click OK. On sample group, right click, new user, and we enter the details for the new user. Click next, enter the password. Click next. So the login name jason@anna.com, and the user must change the password at the next login. So here we have successfully created the user Jason Black within the organizational unit. So we go back to group policy management. We refresh the page and here we see our sample group. In our sample group, we link to an existing GPO. Select Anna GPO, click OK. Here we see that it is linked and enabled. Now let's go back to Active Directory users and computers. In the sample group, we could see our user Jason Black. We go to Properties, and we could see that he is a member of Anna.com users. We have now successfully linked our GPO to our organizational unit and created a user. Let's test to ensure that the policy is in place. Let's go to our Windows 10 machine. So let us log in as a new user. So we have to change the password on first sign in. So here we've entered a new password. Here we see that the clock has been disabled. In taskbar, let's see, turn system icons on and off. And here again, we see that we don't have the option to turn the clock on or off, whereas with the others, you have those options. Here, Jason does not have permission to turn on his clock. Next, we run we go to user configuration, properties, and here we see the GPO is included. In our user configuration. So here we see the removal of the clock from the system notification area is successfully enabled.